Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to lock apps with a pattern using iManager on Vivo Y21. Let's get started. First, open the iManager app on your Vivo Y21. Next, tap on App Encryption. If this is your first time, you'll be asked to set up a pattern lock. Once the pattern is set, choose the apps you want to lock. That's it! Now those apps can only be opened after entering your pattern. Super easy, right? That's how you lock apps with a pattern using iManager on Vivo Y21. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you in the next video.